Hello friends, in our previous video we found out the square root of one decimal fractional number by using division method. Today also we are going to find out the square root of decimal fractional number only by using the same division method. Okay, so now let's consider the example. Find example 5. Find out the square root of 51.84. Now, as I explained you, as per our procedure of finding the square root by division method, write down this dividend 51.84. First of all, make two columns, then write down this number here. Okay, this is your quotients place, this is divisors place as usual. Okay. Now, this is your decimal fractional number. 51 is your integral part of this number, and 0.84 decimal point is here. So 0.84 is the fractional part of this number, and we will form the groups of 2 digits each. Okay, so we will get one group of 2 digits of fractional part and one group of 2 digits of integral part. Okay, and for division purpose we will consider this integral part first. Okay, now 51. Whose square is smaller than 51 or equal to 51? Okay, if you observe the square table, you will get to know that 6 square is 36, square of 7 is 49, square of 8 is 64. But 64 is greater than 51. So we cannot subtract 64 from 51. But we can use the square of 7, which is 49, which is smaller than 51. So write 7 3 times here at quotients place, then at divisors place, then one more time here. Okay, now multiply 7 by 7, 7 sevens are 49, and write this answer here below 51. Then subtract 49 from 51, that becomes 2. Okay, now add 7 and 7, you get 14. Okay, now put this decimal point here and here also at quotients place. Okay, now bring down this fractional group below this. Okay, so your new dividend is 2.84. Okay, and according to our procedure of division method, we will hide the rightmost digit. So we will hide 4 here. Now we have new dividend as 2.8. Okay, but for division purpose we will ignore this decimal point and we will consider this number as 28, and we will divide 28 by 14. Okay, so we know the table of 14. 14 2s are 28. So our new quotient will be 2. So write 2 here, also here, and also one more time here. Okay, now multiply 142 by 2 and write answer here. So you will get 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, and 2 1s are 2. So we got 284. Now subtract 284 from 284, you get the remainder as 0. Here the process is completed. Now add 2 to 142, you will get 144. Leave it as it is. Okay, as our remainder is 0, our quotient is 7.2. So this is our final answer. So square root of 51.84 is 7.2. So we will write square root of 51.84 is equal to 7.2. This is how we have to follow the procedure of division method for finding the square root of all types of bigger numbers, all types of rational numbers. Okay, in our next video we are going to start with the new topic, Pythagorean triplet. So we are going to solve some examples based on Pythagorean triplet. Till then, goodbye.